You know, they make a side crimpers like this. With one side, do this. I really like it for service. Cause say like I need to break these clamps off and it was a really tight hole next to the house, I can really grab them with that and bust them off. But combination crimpers. Knipex. In addition to the Knipex versions, this is a Rusty Oettinger version of a side crimper. These are my all-time favorite crimpers. They work great for crimping big clamps. They made one that had not contoured handles, the original version of this crimper, but this crimper is the bee's knees. I carry both these with me. And if you want to know how many crimpers this guy carrying in his truck, 8. I got 8 pairs of crimpers.